you dare. Mock, Tennessee.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for all of North Dakota beginning at 8:51 p.m. and ending at 9:51 p.m. A silver alert is being issued at the
Oh, it's a
request
silver
of
alert.
West Fargo Police
Or
Department.
silver.
Dennis Mitchell Drummond is a 76-year-old white male. He is 6 feet and 1 inch tall, weighs 260 pounds, and has blue eyes, gray hair, and a beard. His last known
That's just
whereabouts
proof
were
you
on
can catch
November
anything
4th,
in the span.
2021.
That's the first time I've actually
in West Fargo,
heard a civil
Colorado.
emergency message go over the air.
Yeah, sure.
Bruh, that was the first time doing this in
Wait,
the
hold on,
voice
hold on.
chat.
Additional information. Black
One second.
pants, black shoes, and a blue jacket. If you have any information
Sorry about that.
regarding this incident, please contact the West Fargo Police Department at 701-515-550. The above silver alert information is available to the public by calling 511 at www.responc.gov/alert.
Alright. Well, I apologize for the background noises. I was actually in a VC with Dark Heart Fan 2002 and SPC Cleveland 3891 during the civil emergency message, and I pretty much recorded it, so there's that.
Hello.
What was it about?
Silver alert for all of North Dakota.
For what?
I'll look at the further details, but that's pretty much all I heard.